The false sense of security. So this is a case where my client was the son of the deceased. And for years prior to his father passing away, he had urged and begged his father to see an estate planning attorney, to get his will in order, to get his trust in place. For years and years, he kept asking him. And so finally, the dad said, I finally did it. I got a trust, no need to worry about anymore. So the son, who is my client, felt relief, right? So dad passes away. And at this point, he owns a home and he's got quite a bit of money in investments. The estate was probably over $2 million at this point. So son comes to me to do a trust administration. So I start reviewing the trust. And as I get to the end, I see that the trust was never signed. So I call the client and I say, I'm so sorry to tell you this, but your dad never actually signed his trust. And so in discussions and looking through the trust, I come to find out he did it online. He printed it out. He thought it was done. He had this false sense of security that all was well, but it wasn't. So then we had to go through probate court. And because at this point, the trust wasn't signed, there was no assets in the name of the trust didn't actually exist, right? It was never put into place. So we had to go through probate. We had to take this $2 million estate through probate.